Man, so me I make some tea, you know. Before me make it tea, you see when me a little boy, Milo and Horlicks. You know remember Milo and Horlicks were nice? Them they sitting in a deal with a me yard until Christmas. So we grew up on bush tea. Me have fever grass, me have cinnamon, and me have wild basil. One of the nicest drinking tea, but me get to find out that it works on the nervous system and it also get rid of anxiety. Yo, so me I put them three together. But me just want to understand, say, you know, we have to go back to the simplicity of life. You see me? Because simple is more. And when we put them three bushes together, along with ginger, it made me feel happy, man. Youth. It put me in a happy sensation. So, today me I share my tea with you this morning. You see me? Yeah, this grand rise. Bless upon yourself. Peace and light. Boom. Knowledge of the true virgin.